right. Got a deck here, everybody. We're getting rid of. Not sure where to start, so we'll just start here. Well, we finally have a beautiful day, everybody. The sun is shining. James and I are going to work down at the property today, but the phone started to ring all of a sudden, and we ended up with 3 jobs today. So, I guess that's what we're going to be doing. All right, look good. All right. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice and easy.
Carry it down the steps and then dolly it over.
All right, that's just it. Let's take these doors off.
Well, they swing all the way open, so.
Come back toward you.
Yep. Put it on the dolly.
Yep.
I don't know if the strap will reach around it or not. Yep, we were too short.
All right, here, just give it to me.
This is. Here, if you can pull it.
I got it.
Watch. Yep.
Coming your way. 3, 2, 1. Nice piece of furniture at one time.
Yeah, it's really good condition.
Oh my gosh.
Here.
Woo!
She heavy.
She heavy. Nice. There's those traps you were talking about.
Yeah. My husband had those. He was, you know, I'm not going to mess around with them.
Right.
I mean, forget that.
Huh.
Oh, there we go.
Metal.
Metal.
And what in the world? I saw this on the thing yesterday.
You know, again, I think my father-in-law had that. I have no idea what that is.
Huh. That's cool.
And I was thinking, well, when I have my garage sale, I'll put it in there. I'm like, no,
just get rid of it. Yeah.
I've never looked at it, so why in the heck would I keep it?
Yeah. Huh. Never seen anything like that before. That is Garbaggio. Come on, get. these flags up here so they're not on the ground, they're getting beat up. Oh my goodness. I don't know yet. Yeah.
That's an old school.
That's a cool. Huh.
Tile's going?
Yep.
Tile's going.
Woo.
This thing here.
Oh, that's cool. That's an old shell.
Huh?
That's an old brass shell.
Yep.
Wow, that's cool. 1944.
Yep.
Wow, look at that, dude.
What?
It's a brass shell from World War II.
In World War II?
Yeah, that they turned into an ashtray. And you're okay if we bust this up and
I don't care.
okay.
Put this in. It ain't gonna matter even if it's off, you can't.
Let's get this out of here.
Yep.
You voted now.
There's I want to put on there.
Jeez.
Careful.
You alright?
I'm all right. Yep.
They're on your hood of your car, so you drive on.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Okay.
I would love to have this house. There's plenty of room in the basement. Plenty
Well,
of
I'll
room.
be selling it probably down the way.
Yeah. Okay,
so
this
I added
goes.
this. I thought, you know, it's some kind of game.
Sure.
I don't want to mess with it because it's heavy. So
Okay.
it's all, not that thing, but that thing in the corner, but all of this,
Okay.
all the way to here,
Okay.
all of it.
That picture behind still goes.
Yes, yeah, this is mine.
Okay.
But I want all, not those bins, that's all Christmas stuff, but then all the rest of this goes. Good, good, good. Yeah, this one.
Here, hand me that frame.
Oh, sure. Take the frame.
And
Well,
I'm go ahead. I'm just. I'm razzing
pile of stuff there.
you. Yeah, we might have to.
Come on, with a better idea.
You want to bring everything up to the dining room?
I think that's
Do you want to take this out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a part of the handle.
Humidity, not a
Super
dry.
automatic.
Right.
That's cool as hell.
Yeah.
All right, on the downhill run, I think we got some ceramic tiles over there. Yeah, these clubs and those boxes and that one tree. And I think she just threw this into that dresser. So anyway, yay!
You guys do a great job. I mean,
Oh, thank you.
this is a lot of stuff. You did this fast. That's what I got upstairs. I gotta keep those.
It happens.
That's a good idea.
He has one every 3 weeks, so
Oh wow!
we're in luck today. Today's the day.
I haven't paid you yet. You know that, right?
Great idea.
I don't know, but I know where you live. Just keep that in mind.
Don't worry, I got him. You hold the box steady.
Goomba.
Jeez, Goomba.
Come on.
Okay, did you say this is going?
Yes, I so forgot it.
Okay.
That thing.
Your dresser awaits, my lady.
Yeah, just put some
my dresser.
That's a
Yeah.
That's gonna be your new man cave when your wife kicks you out.
Yeah. Oh, that's not a bad idea either.
You're like, that's not a bad idea. You alright?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's pretty light.
Awkward.
Awkward, kind of like you.
Yes.
So this job, I told her 200 to 300.
Oh boy.
What?
Yes, he's
So I think we need to go 300 on this one.
at least. Maybe she'll do a little more.
Yeah. Like she said, she never mentioned this piece.
Seems like so we don't hit nothing. Maybe you'll just have to go out the door first.
No.
No? Okay.
All right. All right, let me get a picture of this for Lisa.
That's fine. I'm gonna come over because I need that roaster pan.
Okay.
So while you doing that?
Let me know as soon as you can if you want it, period. I think it's green, period. Do you want this one too?
Did you want the other one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, I think 3 jobs in one day is pretty good. I think that's.
it's excellent.
I think that's.
This job
Yeah. This is just a little more challenging than I thought, but not too bad. Did you want that shave now or later?
I thought we were going to Texas Chainsaw House.
Oh. Yeah, Lisa's coming out to get those trees, and we might actually. She may want that box and put it in the box. I don't know. Yep, she only lives a few blocks away, actually. Hi. We got the tree and we got the box. We've got golf clubs in the box, which we can empty out if you want to put.
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just take.
The lights. She had lights on it. It's like it's fine.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know what you do with them, but whatever.
All right, everybody, I totally screwed up. I'm going to show you here. I went back to the property. I dug through all the boxes. I filmed the entire thing. It was beautiful. I was excited by all the cool stuff I found. Brought the footage home, and yeah, sure enough, the camera was not tilted far enough forward, and everything I was showing you was like this off screen. You couldn't even see it. Very frustrated with myself, so I want to show you some of the cool things we found. Still very frustrated with myself, but let's start with this. First, we got the vintage Schlitz beer keychain. It was a giveaway from a liquor and beverage company in Joliet, Illinois. That already sold for $10. This next was a manufacturing plant protection badge. I sold that for $20. Next up was a semi-clock. It was all made out of aluminum. It had a clock on the front of it. Next up, we have these vintage BMC manufacturing adjustable pliers. They were like a vice grips, an old vice grips. Sold those for $14.99. Had this V8 emblem, which I had a guy, after I started the auction, I had a guy say to me, "I'll take it for $100. Too bad, so sad. I couldn't change it because there was already bids. And then I got an email notification from a guy that said, I tried bidding on it at the last minute, and the computer wouldn't let me bid, or eBay wouldn't let me bid. So it only went for $24.50, which is a steal. And also sold this here. This is a World War II era employee ID badge from Chicago Shipbuilding Corp. And that sold for $33.10. So altogether there, 58, so I don't know, $80, $90 worth of stuff I've sold. But check this out. This is really cool. This is a pocket watch that when you open it up on the inside, it says 1900 Grand Prix. It actually works. When you wind it up, it works. This sold just yesterday for $125, and it's going to Australia. So that was pretty cool. Some of the other things we found, some of the highlights of some of the other stuff that we found was this. This is a floor jack, and as you can tell, it's not very big. and it's like, I didn't know what it was for. I couldn't figure it out for the longest time. And then I finally read on the print right here, it's from 1934 Chicago World's Fair. So this must have been a premium or a giveaway. And I thought that was pretty cool. Another thing we had was a couple badges. One was a sheriff's badge, and one was a police looking badge. The police badge says Carnegie Illinois Steel Corporation. Anyway, I put this on at starting bid at $29.99. It shot up into the $40, $50 range. 11 watchers, and then eBay took it off because it violated their policies because it resembled too much of a modern day police badge. So whatever. Same thing happened to here. This got up to 20 some odd dollars bids, and then eBay took it down. So no luck there. But this is really cool and something I'm very excited about. This is a badge that was from 1940s, from World War II, and it says War Service Shipbuilding. Apparently, if you were building ships back then, this would have been something you would have wore, and just to kind of identify that you were, supposed to be there. And the other thing I thought was really cool was this here. This is hand done. So somebody took this, made an ashtray out of this. It's a brass shell casing. Right there, you can kind of see it says 1944, and it says 23 NCB, which stands for the Naval Construction Battalion, and it's from Guam. And so this was trench art, they call this, worth about $100, $150, but it has really historical value because of what someone did to put all those little dots on there, and someone took a lot of time to make this thing. So this is from when they were building Navy bases in Guam, again, 1944. And then this is one other thing I thought was pretty cool. This is a brass or bronze cross, and it has to do with dated 1913, but it has to do with like Knights Templar type thing. So anyway, this is from one of those groups. It's really got a lot of detail to it, but again, 1913, that was an award for doing something. But anyhow, so that was some of the cool stuff that we got out of there. I think we sold over $200 worth of stuff already. And I'm thinking about keeping the ashtray thing because I do really respect that and think that's pretty cool. That's it. I couldn't believe there's just so much content that it was unusable because of the way I filmed it. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for so much being a part of this channel. It does mean the world to me. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, and we'll see you at the next clean out. Bye, everybody.